You got President Bush night vision goggles? How about some day vision goggles? First, if you've ever heard the story of a great British actor on his deathbed trying to reassure an already grieving friend, dying is easy, comedy is hard. The quote is attributed to countless actors. One of them was the Shakespearean performer Edmund Kean. And it was on this date, May 15th in 1833, that Edmund Kean died at the age of 46, very possibly uttering as his final words, dying is easy, comedy is hard. Or maybe he was the one who said, "Doctor, do you think it could have been the sausages?" Let's play oddball. We begin in Geneva, in Switzerland, with our wicked cool video of the day. This is a guy who calls himself Fusion Man. No, he's not a jazz performer. He flies across the Alps, wearing only a jet-powered wing on his back. Fusion Man, whose real name is Yves Rossi, jumped from an airplane and after a short free fall, crashed. No, in fact, Fusion Man twisted and soared across the mountain range for a full 9 minutes. Out of fuel, though, Fusion Man was forced to parachute to the ground, where he landed safely and was adopted by the singing Von Trapp family. And to the internets, where we find a panda bear that needs to ask his doctor about Nasonex. Is there any panda bear bodily function that isn't completely adorable? No, wait, don't answer that. I don't